On Wednesday, February 23, intense hailstorm and heavy rain in Mendoza, Argentina. A red alert was issued for the Argentinian province of Rio Negro on Wednesday, February 23, as storms brought heavy rain and hail across parts of the country. Mendoza city shows heavy rain falling as deep floodwaters stream down a road. Other consequences include power outages, flooding of streets and falling branches and trees. The storm started just after 4 p.m. on Wednesday, and despite its short duration, the people of Mendoza were surprised at its intensity. Argentina's National Meteorological Service warned there was a potential for storms of varying intensities to spread over the country's central region.